Welcome to the beginning of an incredible journey, one that will take you through the twists and turns of building wealth, achieving financial freedom, and living the life you've always dreamed of. Did you know that 69% of Americans have less than $1,000 in savings? Or that the majority of millionaires are self-made, proving that financial success is within reach for anyone willing to learn and take action? In this series, 18 Steps to Get Rich, Ultimate Guide, we're going to debunk myths, introduce you to simple yet powerful strategies, and share stories that will inspire and motivate you to take control of your financial destiny. From setting your financial goals to the magic of compound interest and the power of giving back, we'll cover it all. So, if you've ever felt lost, overwhelmed, or just curious about how to build wealth, you're in the right place. Get ready to discover the secrets to turning your financial dreams into reality. Let's embark on this journey together, step by step, towards a richer life. Stay tuned, because what you're about to learn could change the way you think about money forever. 1. Dreaming big, setting my financial North Star. The journey begins with setting clear financial goals. Did you know that people who set specific financial goals are 10 times more likely to achieve them than those who don't? It's like having a financial GPS. Without it, you're just driving around hoping to find your destination. As Tony Robbins puts it, setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Whether it's retiring early, owning a home, or traveling the world, defining what wealth means to you is the cornerstone of financial planning. 2. The blueprint, crafting my budget. Creating a budget is your financial blueprint. Surprisingly, a Gallup poll found that only 1 in 3 Americans prepare a detailed budget. Yet, budgeting is the secret sauce to financial success. It's not just about tracking expenses, it's about making every dollar work for you. Remember, a budget doesn't limit your freedom, it creates financial freedom. As Dave Ramsey famously says, a budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. 3. The safety net, building my emergency fund. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. A startling fact is that 40% of Americans would struggle to come up with $400 for an unexpected expense. Saving 3-6 months' worth of living expenses might seem daunting, but it's your cushion against life's surprises. Think of it as your financial shock absorber, providing peace of mind and stability when you need it most. 4. Breaking free, eliminating high-interest debt. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, is a wealth killer. The average credit card interest rate hovers around 16%, making it a formidable barrier to financial growth. Paying off this debt is not just about saving on interest, it's about reclaiming your financial power. As Warren Buffett advises, do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Prioritizing high-interest debt is a step toward financial liberation. 5. The hustle, boosting my income. Increasing your income is a game changer. Whether it's asking for a raise, pursuing a promotion, starting a side hustle, or launching a business, more income means more opportunities to save and invest. Did you know that most millionaires have at least 7 streams of income? Diversifying your income sources not only accelerates your wealth-building journey but also provides additional security in a volatile job market. 6. The discipline, saving relentlessly. Saving relentlessly is the foundation of wealth building. Experts recommend saving at least 20% of your income, but even starting with a smaller percentage is better than not saving at all. The power of saving is not just in the amounts but in the habit. Albert Einstein called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world, stating, "He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it." By saving diligently and investing wisely, you're setting the stage for financial success. 7. The growth engine, investing wisely. Investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's for anyone who wants their money to work as hard as they do. Surprisingly, a significant portion of Americans shy away from investing due to fear or lack of knowledge. Yet, the stock market has historically returned about 10% annually before inflation. Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors of all time, simplifies the essence of investing. Buy into a company because you want to own it, not because you want the stock to go up. Diversifying your investments across stocks, bonds, and other assets can reduce risk and enhance your potential returns. 8. The magic of compounding. Compound interest is indeed magical, transforming modest savings into substantial wealth over time. Albert Einstein allegedly called it the most powerful force in the universe. Starting early is the key. For example, If you invest $100 a month starting at age 25, assuming a 7% annual return, you'll have over $200,000 by the time you're 65. This demonstrates the incredible power of time and compounding. 9. Living smart, spending below my means. Living below your means is not about self-deprivation, it's about financial empowerment. It's shocking to learn that even high earners can live paycheck to paycheck due to poor spending habits. As the saying goes, it's not your salary that makes you rich, it's your spending habits. Prioritizing your financial goals over immediate gratifications can lead to lasting wealth and peace of mind. 10. The knowledge journey, educating myself on finance. Financial education is a lifelong journey. Sadly, a lack of financial literacy is a common problem, with many adults struggling to understand basic financial concepts. Yet, as Benjamin Franklin said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. From books to podcasts, there are endless resources available to boost your financial IQ, helping you make informed decisions that can dramatically improve your financial situation. 11. Credit wisdom, using credit to my advantage. Credit can be a double-edged sword. A poor credit score can cost you thousands in higher interest rates over your lifetime. However, used wisely, credit can be a powerful tool in building wealth. For instance, a good credit score can lead to lower mortgage rates, saving you money when buying a home. Managing credit responsibly, paying bills on time, keeping balances low, and understanding your credit report can open financial doors. 12. The shield, protecting my wealth with insurance. Insurance is often overlooked in the wealth building process, yet it's crucial for protecting your assets. A surprising fact is that 40% of small business owners have no insurance at all, risking everything they've built. Whether it's health, life, disability, or property insurance, having adequate coverage ensures that unexpected events don't derail your financial plans. As the proverb goes, a stitch in time saves 9. Investing in the right insurance policies is a proactive step in safeguarding your financial future. 13. The real estate adventure. Real estate has long been a cornerstone of wealth creation. Surprisingly, many people assume it's out of reach. Yet with the right strategy, it can be an accessible and lucrative investment. 90% of all millionaires become so through owning real estate, Andrew Carnegie famously said. Whether through rental income or capital appreciation, real estate can provide a stable source of passive income and a hedge against inflation. 14. The tax maze, navigating my tax liabilities. Taxes are often viewed as a complex maze, yet understanding and planning for them can significantly enhance your wealth. Did you know that the tax code offers numerous opportunities for savings and deductions, especially for investors and business owners? By optimizing your tax situation through strategies like retirement accounts and real estate investments, you can keep more of your hard-earned money. The hardest thing in the world to understand is the income tax, remarked Albert Einstein, highlighting the importance of seeking expertise in this area. 15. The expert, seeking professional advice. No one builds an empire alone. Seeking advice from financial advisors, tax professionals, and legal experts can make a monumental difference in your financial journey. A startling statistic from CNBC reveals that those who work with a financial advisor are twice as likely to feel financially secure. Remember, if you think it's expensive to hire a professional to do the job, wait until you hire an amateur. Red Adair's words remind us of the value of expert guidance. 16. Staying the course, the importance of discipline. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. In the realm of finance, impulsive decisions can be your downfall. A study by Dalbar found that the average investor's returns lag behind the markets due to poor timing and emotional trading decisions. Wealth is the product of man's capacity to think, Ayn Rand noted, emphasizing the role of discipline in achieving financial success. Sticking to your plan, even when the market wavers, ensures you remain on the path to your goals. 17. The power of connections, networking for success. Building a strong network is invaluable. It's not just what you know, but who you know that can open doors to opportunities and insights. LinkedIn reports that 80% of professionals consider networking essential to career success. Networking isn't about using people, it's about building mutually beneficial relationships. Your network is your net worth, Porter Gale famously said, highlighting the importance of connections in building wealth. 18. The joy of giving, making a difference. Finally, true wealth transcends personal gain. It's about the impact we have on others. Philanthropy not only enriches the lives of recipients but also brings profound fulfillment to the giver. Remarkably, studies show that giving can boost physical and mental health. No one has ever become poor by giving, Anne Frank wrote, capturing the essence of generosity. Giving back is a testament to the power of wealth to create positive change in the world.